It's truly a great time for the manufacturing world because of the demand for the skilled labor. We have tremendous success here at Horry-Georgetown with our student graduates, many of them in industry less than 5 years, already making six figures, having a foundational financial security for them and their families. So our employers come in, they discuss what their objectives and missions are, what their expectations are for our student graduates, and we adapt and adjust the curriculum to meet those needs and objectives. We felt like we wanted to incorporate DRO technology on all of our manual machines from the very beginning.
The program actually takes you from the foundational skills all the way through completion of programming CNC. A lot of schools are teaching CNC only, and here we feel like you need them foundational skills so that if something goes wrong with the program, you know how to adjust it. The Acu-Rite is good to teach on because it gives the student right in their face what's happening as they move in the dials. And once they get that, then you no longer see them watching the dials. You see them just watching their screen, and they know exactly where it's at as they're cutting the part. Yeah, it takes the student about 15 minutes to learn the Acu-Rite.
Our partnership with Acu-Rite developed as we got into building these advanced manufacturing centers. Acu-Rite is an industry standard. The reliability, the longevity, the accuracy of the systems are definitely there. Systems that are 5, 6 years old that we've never had an issue with. And that's extremely important from an investment perspective. Students come in with a purpose and they have an interest of working with their hands, and they're wanting to go into a manufacturing environment and utilize the skills that they feel like they bring to the table in a creative manner. The goals at Horry-Georgetown are simple: to set the standard in technical skills training. And I'm sure the goal at any company like Acu-Rite or any other major machine manufacturing company would be very much the same. We have got to do something to bring more students into these programs for the manufacturing arena to stay viable and stay successful in America.